Okay guys, we are checking out the Terrazza area because we haven't done that yet. Oh, this is a nice little area. Nice little sit down space. Ooh, frizzante, a little bar. Oh, Pixels Gallery. This is where we can see all of your photos. Let's see if we have any. Here's here. This is the gondola lounge. Oh, let's check it out. That's the stage, Rose. Let's go see it. Let's see if I can find her. I lost my sister. Oh, we were back here. I don't know where she went. I lost my sis. No idea where my sister went. She went to have a smoke. And then I lost my smoke at a bear. Oh my God. This is amazing. Oh my God. This is the back of the boat. This is the space. So anybody staying with on Carnival Cruise Venezia in September with us, this is off the back of the Terrazza cabanas and such. Oh my God. Joe, if you're seeing this, you are gonna love it. Okay, guys, it's literally a flat calm on the ocean. Oh, there you are. I found my Nene. I was worried. We're coming from the back of the boat. But we're gonna walk this way, and it's crazy. Are people out there? Okay. We're gonna walk by the rooms. Yeah, for sure. And I think, if I'm correct, I am on this side, and I think I'm on the corner one. Okay, so I think this is mine.